Hi there.
Hiya.
Welcome to our channel. My name is Yash.
I'm Stefan.
And we are Boyfriends Who Cook. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making my favorite new 4-ingredient apple pie. 4 ingredients, 25 minutes, hot oven. How good does that sound, right? So let's get going.
But before we go into the cooking today, like and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon.
Comment, share this video with your friends and family, try the recipe out and let us know how you like it.
And we'll see you again next Friday.
To make this apple pie, I've got 4 ingredients with me. So there's some sliced green apple that we've added in a mixture of water and lemon juice to ensure that the apples don't go brown or beige or black or whatever color you want to call it. When you are making this at home, you can slice these apples and put them onto the pastry straight away. So you don't need to do this. This is only so that we could prep for this video. Next up, I have some frozen puff pastry. And so I've got 2 sheets here with me and we'll be using these today. Then I've got 20 grams of butter that I've just cut into pretty squares. And then I have sugar. So I will be using 2 tablespoons of this sugar. White sugar, brown sugar, your choice. So let's get going.
Could you also add some cinnamon?
100%. You could add cinnamon on top of the apple, or you could also slice the apples and coat them in cinnamon sugar if you like it that way. That's a great addition actually. Thank you for suggesting. Cool. And instead of green apple, you could also use regular apple. You could use any stone fruit. So peaches. Give me names of stone fruits.
Apricots,
pears, like you name it. Any fruit with a stone in the middle is a stone fruit. Add both puff pastries on top of each other. So as you can see here, I've just placed the 2 puff pastries on top of each other, right? And so this is literally half of the recipe done. On the side, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Next up, we'll put this apple on a kitchen towel just to ensure that a lot of that moisture is soaked up. On that note, what I've started doing is just lining up all of my apple onto the puff pastry. We'll go through this quickly. And so I've got these last leftover bits of apple. So what I'm going to do is just ensure there's not many gaps in this so that the puff pastry doesn't race through. And then on to my next element, which is the butter. So what I'm doing here is just randomly chucking it on the, not really chucking it, but like arranging it in a way that there's equal amounts of butter throughout the entire square of pastry. Cool, so that's done. And last step before the oven, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I've got clear standard sugar and I'm just dusting it over, as you can see. So that's 1 tablespoon done, and then that's the 2nd tablespoon, and just a little more
For good luck.
for good luck.
So you can adjust the sugar to your liking. You can use more or less. You can use brown sugar, whatever you want. And this would be the time to also add any spices you want to add, like cinnamon.
Good idea to decide how much sugar you would like is also to, while chopping the apple, taste one bit. If it's too tart, you could actually add a little more sugar as well. Alright, so let's go into the oven. Alright. And done.
For how long?
This will be in the oven now for the next 20 minutes or so. And then obviously, as is the case with all baking, ensure that you check on it once or twice to ensure that it's not really getting burnt or going too far out on the dark side. Well, it's been 20 minutes in the oven now. We've also had to increase that time by a couple of minutes just to ensure that our apple pie is perfectly brown. So let's see what has happened. Ooh, that looks good. First things first, please switch off your oven. Don't leave it on. Next up, what I'm going to do is just take my apple pie out, which looks glorious.
Yum.
And that's our homemade apple pie, open apple pie or a tart or whatever you would like to call it. Does it matter?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, as long as it's tasty, it's delicious. I think a very logical next step is to open the freezer, find your favorite brand of vanilla ice cream, vanilla bean ice cream, and huge dollop onto the pie and enjoy. Alright, so that was my simple 4-ingredient apple pie or tart, whatever you would like to call it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video to let us know how you like it. If there are recipes that you would like to, if there are recipes that you would like us to cook for you, please leave them as a comment as well, and we will be happy to make videos that you are going to love. Thank you.